In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and edit images using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Whether you're looking to add flair to a PDF or make crucial edits, Acrobat Pro DC provides versatile tools to enhance your documents. Let's dive in and explore step-by-step instructions to add, modify, and manage images efficiently within your PDFs. First, let's learn how to add an image to your page. Start by opening the PDF document you wish to edit in Acrobat Pro DC. Once you're in, you'll want to look to the right-hand side where you will see a collection of tools. From these, select the tool labeled Edit PDF. This is your gateway to modifying your document. At the top, you'll notice an Edit toolbar appears. Here, click on Add Image. Now, a window will open, allowing you to browse your computer for the image file you'd like to include. After you've chosen your image, simply click or drag on the page to place it exactly where you want. Once your image is on the page, you can easily resize, move, or crop it using the handles that appear around it. For further adjustments, such as changing the border or the opacity, look to the Properties panel. You can also right-click for additional options, like wrapping, to make sure the image fits seamlessly into the page's layout. Moving on, let's talk about how to replace an existing image in your PDF. With the Edit PDF tool still active, locate the image you wish to change. Click on it to highlight it, and then right-click. From the menu that appears, choose Replace Image. You'll be prompted to select a new image file to act as the replacement. After selection, position and adjust your new image as you see fit to maintain your document's design integrity. Now, what if you want to attach an image without having it visible on the page? This is especially handy if you're sending files for others to access additional images or resources. While still in the Edit PDF mode, you can use the Attach File or Add Attachment options. This feature allows you to embed the image within the document's attachments pane. This way, readers can access these secondary images easily without altering the visible layout of your PDF. Lastly, let's not forget the importance of accessibility. Every time you insert an image, it's a good practice to add alternative text or descriptions. By doing this, you ensure that screen readers can comprehend and convey the content to individuals who rely on them, making your documents more inclusive. And that's it. You've now learned how to enhance your PDFs with images effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Adobe Acrobat tutorials. Happy editing!